Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to short text in Microsoft Excel in A to Z. So let's start it. At first, open your Excel document file. Firstly, then you show the this name text is the then text is the A to Z in the short text. Firstly, select your alt text option and going to the home menu option. Now click for the short and filter option. Now click on the short A to Z option. Now for click, that's okay. Then show the short A to Z in the Microsoft Excel. So again that select your text and going to the short and text filter and short Z to A. Now for click, that's okay. Then I show the short text in Microsoft Excel A to Z. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.